Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Early morning, rod stands, cooler. You know, see a drop line in where I do this morning though. Yeah, guys, I pushed out solo this morning, me by myself. How would you say me, myself, and I? Then again, if I don't feel comfortable over there, I might just do under here. Ooh, we got activity going on in the water right there. Shore fishing, guys. That's what's up. Muddy area. Ew. Oh, hand line, fellas. Water looks good, guys. Oh my God, the water looks pretty this morning. Morning, fellas. How you doing? What's up? Cool on? You guys good? Catch anything? You just got here? Oh, good. So we can try to catch something together then. All right, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. We're about to put this line out, about to get this line in the water, see if we can get some action. Where your boy go with your line? You not set up yet? All right, let's get this line out in the water, guys. All right, we're gonna hit over that side. Let's see if we can hit my man out there. So. Thinks I joke me, that's what I'm saying. One thing say I joke me that make the bomb bad. You think I was joking, bro? I was not kidding you. I was not kidding you, bro, when I said I can reach him if I need to. All right, going out. All right, bro, I wasn't gonna hit you. I just wanted to get close. All right, let's get this next one out. Even though I know say over here's a hitch up spot. Hitch up spot over here, Simon. But one look of grassy area, that's our grunt pick up all the time. So let's see if one of you is over there. Guide, boom, perfect drop. All right, line set. All right, we out here, guys, Jamaican shore fishing. You know, if you duck, man, you're good. You have well good clearance, man. You can't turn up straight. Tell someone jackfish take out my cousin rod out. I stand here already, man, and take off. I see you with him, man. Dive, man, dive off in the water. Guess how me get the rod back? Cast me, I cast out, me cast and cast out this, and I pull him back my Carolina rig and the hook on the line. All right, get the spoon off. Got a Bara yesterday on this. Let's see if we can pick another one up. All right, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Right away, guys. The Bara hunter strikes again. Yeah. Hit him like that. This is small. Bro, I caught 11.1 the other day. God, that boy gave me a run. Line back off. Hey, Rasta. Merry Christmas. Yeah? You can have this one. No problem. Yeah. He was here before me, so you can have this one. So if you ain't catch nothing, this is your good luck catch. Alright? Let's take your time and watch that treble hook if he flashes. Hold on, let me get the pliers. Let me get the pliers. Oh, your hook, so. I saw your bad boy. You licky hard, you know? That's why I wonder how come the hook bow so hard. Yeah, man, he definitely licky aggressive, look wild. Yeah. Yeah, guys, kind of left our gear on the other side over there. see it. We can pick up something over this side, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. This is what we do. We lure fish. We don't play around. We're looking for food. That's right. The Bara hunter. The Bara hunter. He's here. I am hunting Bara this morning. Lure fishing this morning, guys. That's what's up. I get nothing from this side of people. Not getting good mileage at all today, guys. Bad bargain. Mucho between yourself. Yeah, guys, we're on a hunt. See what else we can pick up this morning. Jamaican shore fishing. Remember this one, right, guys? I don't pick up nothing yet. I saw long jaw over here, so I play. We're on the hunt this morning, guys. Yo, one of them me have. But long, for me a 18 foot. Yeah, but for me a 18 foot with a pedal. Yeah. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Yeah. Come on. Jamaican shore fishing. That's what's up, guys. We have another Bara on the lure this morning. I have to come back for you. Hey guys, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Doing some rock fishing. Hey guys, we're gonna head back up now, guys. I'm gonna change spots. Down here is kind of dead, so I'm gonna have to climb back out of here now, guys. I'm gonna grab my fish, and we are out of here. Jamaican shore fishing. That's what's up. We do this all the time. But what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna give this fish to the other guy over there. I gave his friend a one already. I'm gonna see if I can get out of here. Oh, calm down. It's not that serious. You're dead. You're dead off, as Chris would say. Had to climb down a cliff to get your ass. Whew. Brother, you not catch some fish for man. What that? What that? I'm sure with that. Hey, that's sure that. Take him off a string and throw him not a cooler. He lies still, you know, just take the string out and gill. Watch him teeth them. Here? See teeth them? Let's watch him teeth. Just go so. Unloop this. Just pull this through. Pull this through the loop. The rope back through the loop. And take you out, and then you just, and then you pull this apart, you back through and gill. Yeah. Look, bait's coming back. That make no sense. Even though the bite time at 9 o'clock. A jackfish, I must say running fish, I run then. Jackfish and them sitting there, I talk about them. But no snapper now run. Not now really run more than look at baby fish. So that bait I come back, bait's been out there over an hour. And I'm getting out further than you. I'm gonna pack these lines up and just stick to my lure fishing because it's running fish that's running. No sense me have them open. Waste bait and waste time. Yo, I do all sorts of fishing, bro. I just don't stick to one kind of fishing. Oh, fish on. I am the Bara hunter. This is my third one.
Yeah, I want to my lure. The first fish I my one.
Let me get this one for my viewers. Get over here, behave. No man, I lure more on taking I'm out. The picture of the lure and I'm out. I said. Good. Get a good picture, you guys. Alright.
That just shoot a while ago.
Huh?
That one just shoot over the sun.
What that?
That the line.
No, I float the line on top of the water. You know?
No, that one in the sea.
No, man, hold him, man. I hook. I don't want hook me. Where you walking now? How many bucket and all the fish? Big rag. I don't touch it yet, man. Do you want to see how this one deep look oil for me? Surprise, you don't link me.
No, true, you want to say town business, so I say alright.
No, that's next weekend we going out with extreme fishers, man. Most expensive lure in my damn box, and I've never caught a fish on it. Yeah, I got a red and white. But I got this new company with lures, Skilly. Crazy!